Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use a deque from the C++ standard library. Deque stands for double-ended queue. The deque class implements the circular queue abstract data type. If you are curious how deque works internally, you can check out my video on circular queue. I put a link in the description below. In order for you to use deque in a C++ program, you have to add the include directive, and then you can create a new object by using std:/, deque, then specifying the data type for the elements that you want the deque to hold, and then give it an identifier. I will just call it deque. Now, there are two functions to add values into the queue. The first one is push front. So this pushes a value to the front of the queue. And the other one is push back. This adds a value at the end of the queue. And that's really the only two ways you can add something to the deque. As I said, the deque is a double-ended queue, so you have two ends. You can add anything to either of the ends, or you can remove something from either of the ends. And the ends are referred to as front and back. So if I call deque.push front again, and let's say 23, and let's say I call push back again with 99, now I have 4 values in the queue. Now, if you want to check if a queue is empty, you can call the empty function. I will do this in a while loop, and I call deque.empty. Now, while the deque is not empty, I want to remove a value from the deque. So I call int first deque.front. This gives me the very first value at the front of the deque. There's also back if you want to get the last value at the end of the deque. And then I output this value followed by a space, and then I call deque pop front. Note that there's also pop front and pop back. So pop front and pop back. The front one removes a value from the front, and the pop back one removes a value from the back. So what this loop will do now is, as long as the deque is not empty, I will take the first value, output it, and remove it from the deque. When I run this, we can say the values were 23, 45, 67, and 99. So first I added 45 at the front, then I added 67 at the back. So this was the queue at that moment. Then I called push front again. I inserted 23 at the front, and then I called push back, which added 99 at the end. And now at the end of the program, the deque will be empty because I removed all the values from the front, 23, 45, 67, and 99, and there were no more values. So the deque is really simple. Just think of a queue. You can add values at the front or at the end, and you can remove values from the front or at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.